exposing the hidden gems of the dam site. Let's dive into nature together. Today, we're taking a Sunday stroll to the dam site with my buddy Don. The air is crisp, the birds are chirping, and the scenery? Simply breathtaking. As we walk, you'll see lush greenery, glistening water, and maybe even spot some wildlife. Don's got his explorer hat on, and I've got my camera ready. So, stick around and let's soak in the beauty of nature together. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more adventures. Let's go? Feel free to tweak as necessary to match the exact tone and emphasis you're aiming for.